Good morning, dear students. Welcome to ninth class physical science. Today, now in this class, we discuss about the chapter reflection of light at curved surface. Okay, but what is the reflection? Reflection means when light ray is fall on the plane surface after it will get reflection into the same medium. This is called the reflection of a light. Okay, for example, now take here. Okay, this is the plane surface. This is the plane surface. Okay, we take a mirror. The mirror surface is act as a plane surface. If a light ray is this is a light ray is fall on the plane surface. What happens? It will get reflect into the same medium, reflect into same medium. Okay, students. Okay, a beam of a light is fall on the plane surface. What happens? It will get reflected into the same medium. Here, the light is the fall on the plane surface. It passes through the medium of a medium of the air, and again after reflection the reflected ray is moves into the same medium. Okay, it is as like of a ball. The ball is the thrown on the wall. What happens? This ball is the bounce and it will return to the back. Similarly, in case of a light rays, they are strike on any plane surface. After it will get reflection, that is returning to the same medium. Okay, here this is the light ray is incident on the plane surface. This is ray is called a incident ray. This is called incident ray. Incident ray. Next one, the ray which is the reflector from the plane surface is called a reflected ray. Reflected ray. Reflected ray. This is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray, and this is the point of incidence O. Okay, O means the point of incidence. So this light ray is incident on the plane surface at the point O. This O is called the point of incidence. Now we draw a normal line at the point of incidence. Okay, this is the normal line. We have to draw this the point of a instance. Normal means it is a perpendicular line. It's drawn at the point of instance O. When we draw a normal line, this is the normal line. This is the normal line. What happens? To make two angles are formed. First one angle is the make between the incident ray and normal. This is called triangle of incidence I. Triangle of incidence I. Similarly, and second angle is the make between the normal line and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. So this is the angle of instance, or is called instant angle. This is the angle of reflection or reflected angle. Those two angles are equal, and I is equal to angle R. So in case of the light is instant on the plane surface with the angle 30-degree angle, what happens? After reflection, the reflected angle, it reflected from the plane surface with the angle 30-degree angle. So angle is equal to angle R. Next one is the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal line. They are lie on the same plane. Okay, these two are called the laws of a reflections. Okay, first one. Okay, laws of reflections. Okay, laws of reflections. There are two laws of reflections. First one is the and I is equal to and R, and second one is the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal line. They are lie on the same plane. Those are the laws of reflections. Now, in this chapter, I have discussed about the reflection of light at a curved surface. Now we take a sphere. Now we take a hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. This sphere is cut into two parts. Okay, cut into two parts. Now we take a half of the part of a hollow sphere. We look at that. We look at. We observe that the half of the sphere, okay, hollow sphere. We notice that first one is the outward surface. First one is the outward surface. That is the bulged out surface, and second one is the inward surface. Inward surface. Okay, now we cut the hollow sphere into two parts. Now take a half part of a hollow sphere. You notice that it has two surfaces. First one is a bulged out surface. Next one is a inward surface. This outward surface or bulged out surface is coated with a paint. Is coated with the paint. What happens? The inward surface is act as the reflecting surface. This is called the concave mirror. Okay, this is the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. So the in the case of a spherical mirror, or the concave mirror is a spherical mirror. It is the one part of the sphere. So the bulged surface is coated with the paint. What happens? The inward surface is act as a reflecting surface. This is called a concave mirror. Next one and second one is we take the hollow that is the half part of a hollow sphere. This inward surface. The inward surface is paint coated with the paint. Inward surface. What happens? The outward surface, the bulged out surface, is act as a reflecting surface. This is called the convex mirror. Convex mirror. So concave mirrors and convex mirrors both are the spherical mirrors. Both are the spherical mirrors. Okay, in case of the curved mirrors, that is the concave mirrors and convex mirrors, we have to find out the normals. I guess normals to find out shadow. Okay, how can you find out the normal line? We can draw and find out the center of the curvature. For example, I will take a thin foam. This is the thin foam or a rubber sole. Now take the fins. The fins are fixed on the rubber sole. This is a rubber sole. Okay, four fins are fixed along the straight line on the rubber foam. Okay, next now, okay, each fin is perpendicular to the surface of the rubber foam. Okay, surface of the rubber sole. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means normals. Next now, this thin foam is bent inward and bent outward. So in case of this thin foam is this is that makes it inward. What happens? Okay, all normals are intersect at one point. This is called the center of the curvature. Become a center of the curvature. Next one, in case of a so all normals are they are appears to the divergent. So all normals are convergent. In case of all normals are divergent. So where does the point all normals their intersect at the point is called the center of the curvature. C for means center of the curvature. Okay, once again, we take a thin foam. We have to fix the 4 pins on the surface of the rubber sole along the straight line, and each pin is perpendicular to the surface of the rubber sole. Next one, this sole is bent. Okay, this sole is bent inward and bent outward. Okay, in case of the inward, what happens? All normals are converging at one point is called the center of the curvature. In case of this rubber sole is bent outward, what happens? These pins, they are appears to the diverge to one to each other. So they appears to diverge at one point. This point is called the center of the curvature.